How to fix Instagram couldn't change photo on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram couldn't change photo on Android or iOS phone. First you need to do here is to go to settings and scroll down until you find apps. Then click apps again, type here Instagram. This one is for Android phones. Click force stop and go to storage, clear cache, and go to permissions. Make sure storage is allowed. Maybe you'll find storage here. Click on it, click allow, and if you have an iPhone, just turn off your Wi-Fi and close all applications in the background. Restart your phone, turn it on again, and if that doesn't fix it now, all you need to do just uninstall your Instagram and install it again. I hope that can fix your problem, and see you in the next video.